Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Patrick, on the swim bait.
On the swim bait. Let's go, Clyde. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Told you swim bait today, buddy.
You got him. You got him.
Nice. Caught him from side the bank.
Yeah.
Threw it side the bank like you doing, yeah.
Yeah. Clyde, that got one. I gotta go get one too. I ran all the way over here, guys.
That's what I did for you last time. Woo, look at this, you guys. I'm not gonna scale him because he about what, 3 pounds? So I'm not gonna scale him. You know something? Maybe I will scale him. Okay, let's do the other one, guys. 215. 215. Let's do it again. Make sure I got it set right. Yeah, that's right. Let me see. Let's do it again. 215. Let's get this guy back in the water. Let's get him back in the water, guys. Still a nice chunky rascal to be 215. Right at 3 pounds. Let's get him back. Okay, let's get this guy back in the water. Thank you, buddy. Nice. Let's see if we can get on another one right quick, you guys. How about that? Yeah, I'll give you 4.5.
4 pounds. On the big boy. On the big boy.
We got to see on the 8-inch.
Yeah, on the 8-inch.
Check this out, guys. This is what he's throwing right here, you guys. Look how huge that is.
It's getting smaller and smaller every day, y'all.
And know what it is, the fish getting bigger and bigger. Nice. Yeah, I'll say 4.5.
It's 4 something, ain't quite a 5.
Yeah. Nice one.
Let's see. Ooh. 314. Let's try that again, man.
Yeah.
314. You're a little skinny, good.
Yeah.
Ah, 315.
315.
I'll take it. It's a 4 pounder, guys.
Yes, sir.
It's a 4 pounder.
Good shot, man.
Yes, sir.
Oh, look at this, guys. God, look at this.
Shoot the 1 pounder.
Yes, sir. I was so excited I didn't even shoot mine.
Man, you got you a short out there.
Yeah, I did. Tell you, that black worm hit up under there, boy. The line took off.
Way to go, brother. Way to go. Number 2.
I just broke the tie, Patrick. Whoa! He nailed that black worm.
Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Solid bass, bro. Solid bass.
Wow.
I can't tell you what them guys are doing because ain't none of them got a red tail.
Nah. All right. Alright, you guys, I'm not going to weigh him. I'm just going to get him back in the water. Uh-oh, oh no. Woo! Shoot, he was kind of angry.
Yeah, I bet it was. Come on.
Get him, get him.
Come on. Oh my God.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. And I was planning on throwing to the right. Look at this sucker, man. Let me put your button in for you so you can get up here.
Oh wow.
Patrick, that's a huge fish.
Look at that, y'all. Look at 613, y'all.
613.
Just a close shot.
Okay. Oh snap. Oh, good shot. First one landed. Nice.
Pushing 3 anyway.
Yes, sir. Yeah, Tina's out there. Yeah, out there. That's just to get you started with.
Just to get it started with, yes sir. Yeah. Changed up to a worm and got one down.
Awesome.
Oh, solid for about 2. Hot 2.
Awesome, buddy.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Let me make sure I'm recording. Yep, I'm definitely recording. I would. Blow it up. Blow it up. Awesome, brother. Oh man. Oh. What you throwing? God. Good shot, man. Dadgummit. Yes, sir. Well, I can't do nothing but bless you. Good shot. God dadgummit. No, he wanted something a little bigger.
He tapped it a few times right up in here before he got it.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Come on, buddy.
We said they was in here. Yup. Oh, look at that dance. Come here, buddy. Let me get you out of the water. Come here, come here. Shh, shh, shh.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you, man. We can't play around too much.
No, we can't, man. Lord, I thank you.
Yes,
Look there.
sir.
Cool.
Double mint twin.
Yes, sir. I know where this is going. I'm all for it.
Take a picture first.
Yes, sir.
Gotta get good real quick.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Yeah.
Good shot, Patrick.
Wait. This is how you do it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. You know I'm gonna do a short with this sucker. What's that, the 10-inch? What's that 10-inch worm?
I'm gonna put this one back. I think they round right now.
Yeah. I'm gonna do a short with this because I hadn't done nothing. You want to be in the video with me? Yes, sir. Let me take a picture first.
Nice and too.
Yes, it is, man. It was well worth the wait. Oh man, look at there. They close, Patrick. They real close.
I think they came up now.
Mm-hmm. All right, you guys, perseverance is definitely key. Y'all check this out, what I just got on a 10-inch black worm. Nice one, buddy. Good gracious sakes. The heat is on. Wow. You sit right there. I'm gonna get you back in the water. Hurry up. As soon as that joker, huh? All right, let's get this guy back in the water. Thank you, bud. Huh?
Something that you can get in out fast. Oh yeah.
Get back around here, Patrick. Hit that dance. Cool. Oh my goodness. It's nice. He ain't big as the first one. Yes, sir. Check it out, Patrick.
That's like a 3-pound average today.
Yeah, man. Wow. My goodness. Thank you, buddy. Yes, sir. I'm about to jump in the water myself. Okay. Wow. That's so crazy.